First, we're going to remove all the screws. There's a lip at the top there. You can stick a pry tool right in there. I'm going to disconnect the battery. And we're going to unscrew the SSD. Next, we're going to remove the screws on the heatsink. And you can just pull this out. It's not attached to the fan. And this thermal paste really needs to get replaced. You can look at the fan here to see if there's any dust. So we're just going to use isopropyl alcohol with a paper towel. And that looks pretty good. Next, we're going to clean the paste off the heatsink itself. Now we're going to put the PTM 7950 on here. I'm just tracing how much I want to cut out. I don't want to cover the whole area because once it turns into liquid, it'll just ooze out the sides, and that's just wasting this stuff, and it's expensive. Then I'm going to cut it out on the cardboard. And now I've got two pieces here. I need to remove two thin pieces of plastic on both sides. So I just folded over half of it so I can press down on one half and then remove the rest of the plastic when it's on there. So that's one down. I just have to remove the other layer now. And doing the same for the smaller piece. We're going to run this later, so the PTM 7950 will liquefy. I'll put the heatsink back in. Then we're going to put the SSD back in. Reconnect the battery. And we're done.